Hello guys. Ito pala 118. Katok na kayo. Ang taray. Dito na yung... Tara. Hello po. Hello guys, so andito na kami sa Liberty. Ikutan. Video. Hello guys.
Christian, now may we call on Mr. Henry Innocentes. Shake, shake.
Now, last but not the least, the father of our debutant, Daddy JC. just to
Some people play that the physical things define what's within. And I've been there before, but that like some more. So
Happy blessed 18th year of my dear princess. Always remember, whenever you need a dad, a friend, a confidant, send text lang. Lalo na pag nagka-text ka lang, Daddy, alam ko na yan. Panalangin kong samahan ka ng Diyos sa bawat takbang na gagawin mo sa buhay, and may you bless every work of your hands. Happy 18th birthday na again. I miss you and I love you. Enjoy the life. Thank you.
Wow, I think na-surprise ang ating debutant for that message. Eya, okay ka pa ba?
Sino yun? Si Arlie. Sino? Sa Telen. Si Janjan. Laki na Janjan din.
For the meantime, let's ang makeup. Ayan, thank you so much once again. Now, we'll proceed for the 18 treasures. So, yung mga participants natin, get ready na po. As Aya celebrates the beginning of her womanhood, she will need tools that either will help her in the future, encourage in the past, or give her something fun to look back on. Yeah? So, let's start to call Miss Samantha for her gift to Aya.
Hi, babe! Ayun, to start this, I chose this gift kasi unang-una, kailangan ko to. And ikaw unang nagpo-pop up sa isip ko kapag nakita akong bagay na to. For my wish, syempre dapat maayos to kasi nga treasure. Pero ayun, I just wanted to say na super thankful ako na naging BFF kita. Kahit nagsimula tayo sa di ganun kaganda, if you know, you know. I'm very glad that I met you and ito kami my best friend. Kahit na minsan maubos mo pagkatapos sa energy mo pa lang. Grabe init ka. I wish you all the best.
Baka kami siya? Diyan lang?
Happy birthday, Leia. Sa kanang ganang kadalagan, kaya pagdalagi sa sarili mo. And I hope all your dreams come true. Thank you.
Next, may we call on Miss Mary Ann Farrell, Brownville.
Ito pala sinasabi. Sa amin naman may sobra.
Happy birthday.